Depression. Depression is one of the leading problem in today's world. Just like in the picture, depressed patients look totally fine from outside, but he or she is useless, broken, rejected, lonely, defeated from inside, which you don't notice, which anyone don't notice at all. According to the latest estimates from WHO, more than 300 million people are now living with depression, an increase of more than 18% between 2005 and 2015. He looks very fine from outside, but all broken from inside. Major symptoms of depression are depressed mood, loss of interest or pleasure in activities that are normally pleasurable, decreased energy or increased fatigability. Minor symptoms are reduced self confidence or self esteem, ideas of guilt and unworthiness, ideas or act of self harm or suicide, reduced concentration and attention, bleak and pessimistic views of the future, sleep disturbance of any type, change in appetite, decrease or increase with corresponding weight change. For the number 7, many people have that misconception increase in appetite is not linked with depression. Only loss of appetite is linked with depression, but in fact, both decrease or increase in appetite is connected with depression. Other symptoms are delusion of guilt, delusion of sin, delusion of reference, delusion of persecution, delusion of poverty, nihilistic delusion, second person auditory hallucinations, derogatory content, agitation, retardation, catatonic features. Risk factor for depression. Female are more likely to be depressed as compared to male because of hormonal difference, effects of childbirth, differing psychosocial stressors for women, behavioral models of learned helplessness, marital status, divorce, separate without close interpersonal relationship, geographical area. Rural people are more likely to be depressed as compared to urban people. Etiology, biological factor, genetics. Family studies shows first degree relatives are 2 or 3 times more likely to have major depressive disorder. Adoption studies have found strong genetic component for inheritance of major depressive disorder. Twins studies shows concordance rate in MZ 50%, DZ 10 to 25%. Hormones. 50% of depressed patients have elevated cortisol level. 5 to 10% of depressed PTS have thyroid disorders. Psychological factor, life event like loss of parents before age 11 years, loss of spouse, unemployment, personality. No single personality trait or type predispose a person to depression. All human with whatever personality pattern can become depressed. However, certain personal diseases like OCPD, borderline are greater risks for depression. Treatment for depression, pharmacological and psychological. Psychological treatment are more effective for depression. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. I will be uploading more health related videos in this channel.